like this, like this, like this, and like this. Welcome to Glory Digital. In today's video, we're going to be learning how to create any kind of website you want using WordPress. Have you ever wanted to create and manage your site yourself, but you get confused not knowing where to start? Never to worry anymore, because today you're going to be seeing how easy it is for you to actually create and manage any kind of website you want, just by following the simple and easy steps I'm going to be showing you today. So if you find this video useful, do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification icon, because every day we release new videos like this that can help you promote your business digitally and globally and increase your sales by over 1000%. So do not forget to like, comment, and share if you find this useful. So let's go there now and get our website down. So to start, first off, we get a domain and a hosting. To do that, you go to bluehost.com. Bluehost offers you a free domain. You only have to pay for hosting, so you get the domain for free. And in the description section of this video, I'm going to be dropping a link through which you can get up to 60% off your purchases from Bluehost. Okay. All right. So once you are here on Bluehost, you just go to Get Started. Then select a plan. If you are a starter, you can start with the basic. Okay. But if you know what you're doing, you want to build multiple websites, you may want to go for the plus. All right, it allows you to build multiple websites and multiple storage and the rest. Before I start, you can just go for basic, select the plan, and then choose your domain, whatever domain you want to use. Okay, for instance, you can just say website design demo.com. okay, whatever domain, whatever your project is going to be about, so just choose a domain relating to that. Okay, so then click on next, and the domain isn't available, so if it's not available, you search again. Okay, website design demo 2, and click on next again. And of course, website design demo 2 is available. So just fill in your details here, your first name, your last name, and the rest. And just fill in your information here. Is quite basic. And once you are done, you just click on submit. And having made your complete purchase, you will be sent your cPanel login details. All right. Your login details, your cPanel, where you are going to be hosting your website, will be sent to you via your email. So once you've got your cPanel, you just come to your cPanel like this. These are your cPanel will look. Once you have logged into your cPanel, that will be sent to your mail. You have something like this. So having got your domain, your hosting, and you have sent your cPanel login details, and you have logged into your cPanel, and you are having an environment like this, your cPanel environment. So the next thing you're going to be doing is install WordPress. That is WordPress installation. So to install WordPress, here you just scroll down and locate where you have software. That software you have this here like this, called Softaculous Apps Installer. Then click on it. So once you click on Softaculous Apps Installer, you have different apps here, different scripts. You can actually use it to host. You can actually use cPanel to host any kind of website in what you are doing. But for the sake of this video, we are dealing with WordPress. So here we have WordPress here. You just come here and click on install. And then you just fill in your details here. Okay. Of course, you will have your default domain here in this place, so you can just leave this place, this upper place, at their default. And sometimes you may have something in this directory, something like this. You have something like this WP here under this in directory. Remove it, because if you accept, you know what this is. If you know what it is and you want to install your WordPress in that directory, you can leave it. But if you are a beginner, you are just starting with this video for the first time, you remove whatever you may be having here, because if you leave that there, your website will be installed in that directory and not in your main domain. So if you want your website to be in your main domain, you just remove wherever it may be, you may find there. Okay, and then give your website a name. Okay, maybe if it's a blog you want to build or whatever it's going to be about, an e-commerce store, whatever you want to call your website, just give it that title, just give it a name. So in my case, I can just decide to call it website design demo 2. All right, and then description, my WordPress, as in under the site description, just give it any kind of description you want to give it. So in my case, I may just call it a place to learn, a place to learn to create, a place to learn how to create any type of website. And then scroll down, you just give your admin username. In most cases, people like using admin, but I won't advise that. It can easily be guessed by hackers, and they can, once you have guessed your username, they can start guessing your password to hack to your website. So it's advisable to use another username. So in my case, I can decide to call it maybe website demo. All right, so, and then the password, just put the password there. I can just say password, put a valid email address here. Okay, just put a valid email address there, and then scroll down, and of course it's on English. Leave the language as English, which is the default, but except you speak another language and you want to use that language, you can use it. But for the sake of this, I just leave English as default. Then scroll down and click on install. It's as simple as that. All right, so we successfully installed our WordPress. You can say congratulations, the software was installed successfully. And then to access the front end of your website, you just go here. All right, follow that link, and to go to the back end, just go to this place. And of course, these links will be sent to your mail, in addition to the password and the username you created that you can use to log in. So this is the front end of our website. This is how our website looks currently, that we are going to start building. And then here we have the back end of the website. So this is the administrative end of any website built on WordPress. It's called the WordPress dashboard, or you can call it the admin, but it's usually called the WordPress dashboard. So this is where we're going to be doing whatever thing we're going to be doing our website project. So whatever we do here at this back end, it's called the back end also. Whatever we do here at this back end or the dashboard of our WordPress website project will be reflected on the front end of the website. So this is the place the world can see. All right, so this is where the world can see, and you as the admin, you are the only one who sees this place. So to get to the back end of this of your website project, so after this first login that we got to directly from our Softaculous installation. Okay, so maybe next time you want to log into the backend of a website. To access the backend of your website, you just go to your domain /wp-admin. Maybe the website you are creating is johnhot.com. So maybe your project is johnhot.com. So to get to the back end of your website, which is the administrative end, which is this dashboard where you perform your activities to reflect on the front end, you go to the domain, the URL, which is the domain /wp-admin. Okay, so this is how you access the admin end of any WordPress website. So once you type this on your address bar, it will bring in the login environment where you can now log in with the username and password you created during the WordPress installation using Softaculous. Okay, so that is how to install WordPress. So now we are done with we have successfully got our domain and hosting, and we have successfully installed WordPress. So the next thing we are going to be doing is to start the building process. All right, so now that we've successfully installed our WordPress and we want to start building our website, let me quickly tell you about this. WordPress is just a framework. All right, although it's very powerful in building website projects, but it would have been powerful if there were not two types of softwares that actually make it so powerful. And those types of softwares, those sets of softwares are called plugins and themes in WordPress. Plugins and themes are pieces of softwares that actually make WordPress powerful. Okay, a theme of a WordPress website is what determines the outlook of your website. For instance, this website is looking like this. What you're actually seeing is the theme. So is the theme that is used, the default theme that is used for this installation. All right, the default WordPress theme that comes with every WordPress installation. That is why you are seeing this like this. So this website is looking like this because of the theme used. All right, and on the other way around, if we could get a very beautiful theme, okay, a very beautiful and lovely theme for our website will be very, very beautiful and more lovely and attractive than this. From there, we can start editing the various pages to suit our own content. How do we get those themes? How can we get such themes that will really make our websites as lovely as we want it to be? You get themes from, there are different places you can get themes, and those themes are not for free. They are usually for sale. Very good too. Although there are some themes that are for free, but those themes are really not as good enough to really give you that kind of flamboyancy you need on your website. So for you to get that beautiful theme, I mean that beautiful look of your website, you need to use a paid theme. And there are different places you can buy themes, but the best place so far is called the Theme Forest. So to get your premium and wonderful lovely themes, you go to Theme Forest. So depending on the kind of website projects you are going to be doing, you search a theme related to that. Maybe for instance your website is going to be about your company, and your company is a construction company. So you just simply come to Theme Forest search and search for construction. In WordPress, you can see you have it as a suggested search here, construction in WordPress. Then to give you different themes related to construction companies. Okay, now for instance, this is the first one we're having here, a women construction theme. So to know how the theme looks, and of course to know if it's the type you will want for your website project, you come here and click on preview. Also we have this here, duplex. So and it's another construction theme. So let's preview it to see how it's going to look, and then you can just scroll down and just look at different types of themes there. All right, so now for the first one, which is women, now let's see how that looks. All right, so the first one is this, or the first thing, which is the women. This is the preview. Okay, and you can see is a multi-purpose theme. There are different types of themes, different themes inside this one theme. You can choose any layout, different layouts inside this one theme. For instance, for this this first layout, which is the home, you can just come here, and for you to preview it, just right click on preview it to see how this one looks. If you want to preview, just preview anyone you may want to use. But then if you are once you buy this theme, if you buy this theme, this particular theme, women theme, you will have all these layouts to yourself. So during the building process of your website, you can just choose any particular layout you want. Now for the first one, this main home, let's look at how that layout looks. You can see it. So this is how this layout looks. This is just a layout inside the theme, the women theme. All right, so if you choose this theme and you choose that particular layout, which is the main home, this is how your website will look. Isn't this lovely? Yeah, this is lovely. So you can see a theme determines the look of your website. So if you choose this theme, this is how your website will look. So themes actually make your website project very easy. So you just need to do, you just edit the different pages to suit your own content, and then you are done. It's as simple as that. So for the sake of our project, I'm going to be using a multi-purpose theme. Okay, a multi-purpose theme is a theme that you can use to build different types of website projects. Maybe for instance, it's for a construction company, for a corporate business, for a mobile app hosting, a SEO agency, whatever type of website project you want to build, you can use a multi-purpose theme to do it. And I will advise you, if you want to buy a theme, and you know you want to be building different website project, not only for your business or for personal use, you want to be building different website project in subsequent times, I will advise you to always go for a multi-purpose theme. So for the sake of our project, I'm going to be using a multi-purpose theme, and this multi-purpose theme is called this Echo. Okay, so I'm going to be buying this theme now. So I just click on it and make a purchase, and I'm going to be giving you this theme for free. Okay. All right, so if you are watching this video, wherever you're watching it from YouTube or wherever you're watching it from, I'm going to be giving you this video. I'm going to be giving you this theme for free. So just check the description below. Just check the description section of this video. You're going to be seeing the link through which you can download this theme. All right. Okay, so I just go ahead and add it to cart now. Successfully purchased and downloaded my theme, and this is it. Okay, Echo multipurpose theme. So the next thing to do is the installation of our theme. Okay, so I successfully purchased our theme. Okay, and I've downloaded it to my system. So the next thing to do is the installation of the theme. So to install our theme, just go to the theme that you've downloaded. Okay, just extract it. So once you've opened your folder, you find these files inside. Okay, you have this for the documentation in case you want to know how to use the theme. Maybe you want to learn or you want to find out some things. You can just open it. The documentation just is an HTML file. Just open it to open your browser, and then you can see various documentations on how to use the theme. But never mind, I'm already showing you how to use the theme in this video, so you may not have to go through that. So just follow me step by step and find it easier with me. But the main theme of focus here is this, which is echo.zip. So this is what we're going to be uploading onto our website. So to use this theme, we are going to first of all have to upload it to our website, and then install it, then activate it, and so on and so forth. So just follow me as we install. So to install, come to your dashboard, come to theme, under appearance. All right, so once you are on your dashboard, come to this place under appearance, come here, click on themes. So once you click on your themes, you are brought to this place here. You can see the different themes already pre-installed with our WordPress installation. Then to add a new theme, just click on add new. And then we already have our theme in our system. So what we just have to do is upload it. Just come here, click on upload theme, and then click on choose file. So this is the theme. So I just come here and then upload, install now. So let it finish uploading. All right, so we tried uploading our theme, and we are getting this error. It's saying the uploaded file sees the upload mask file size directive in php.nin. There are two different ways to resolve this. Let me just show you the simplest way to do it. The simplest way to do it is that you just go to your cPanel. All right, so once you've tried to upload it from your WordPress dashboard and you're having this error, okay, and in most cases you may have this, but in some cases maybe your server allows a lot of large files upload, and you're able to upload it successfully. Congratulations. But if you are not able to do this and you're having the same error, okay, so just come to your cPanel and come to your file manager, have public_HTML, just double click on it, okay, and once you double click on it, you're going to be finding these files inside. You're going to be seeing files like this inside. Okay, then just come here and locate this WP content. Just click on, double click on it, WP content, and then inside WP content you're going to be seeing this folders here. Okay, plugins, themes, and uploads. Then just locate the themes and double click on the themes, just like that. And here you now find all the themes you have on your website. Okay, then come here under upload, click on upload, and then locate. Once you click on upload, just click on select file, and this is the theme. All right, so just come there and upload it. And so once you have successfully uploaded the file, you have the zip file here like this. Okay, just click on it and then extract. Look for your extract button. Okay, this is the extract button. Just click on it, or you can just right click it here and you see extract. Just click on it. Okay, and then click on extract files, and then it will be extracted. If you reload this place, you find out the folder will be here. And by so doing, we successfully uploaded it to our file. Then come back to your dashboard. Okay, let's go back to our dashboard, to our theme. Then come back to your dashboard. Come back to your dashboard, and then under theme, under appearance, go to themes as usual. And then you can find out that the theme is installed. All right, it's installed, but it's still not the active theme on our website. It's still the default theme that we that came pre-installed with our WordPress installations. To make it active, to make it the active theme on our website, you just come here and click on activate. So automatically the theme will be activated, and it will come here to be the first listed on the list of the themes you have on your website. So we successfully installed our theme and we have activated it. So next is to activate the necessary plugins. Okay, so once you have activated the theme, automatically the necessary plugins will be you will be notified of the necessary plugins that you need to install and activate on your website to make the theme very active. Because even as you have activated the theme on the website, and if you still go to the front page of your website, you agree with me that if you go to the front page of your website, you agree with me that we are still not having the look that we want yet. Okay, we are not having the look that we want yet. And remember the theme we are using. Let me show you the theme we are using. Let me show you the demo of the theme we are using. So remember the theme we are using. Remember the theme we are using is what? This Echo. And if you preview the theme, remember I told you however the theme looks is how your website is going to look. And if we preview this theme that we are using, now let's wait for it to finish loading. And if we preview this theme that we are using, you can see these are the different demos. If you preview anyone, you realize that our website is nothing near the demo of our theme. Now let's try to preview this for you to see. Now let's preview this another demo. You can see, so this is how the theme looks, and of course this is how our website is going to look, okay, by the time we have done. And you agree with me that our website project is still nothing near the demo of our theme. All right, it's still nothing near the demo of our theme, even though we have activated it on our website. Why is it like that? I will show you in just a moment. So this is another demo of the theme. Remember, it's a multi-purpose theme, so this is another demo. There are different demos of it. You can see different demos. They are up to 12 or even more than 12. Okay, up to over 20. They are quite a lot. So you are really lucky. I'm going to be giving you this theme for free. Okay, and you agree with me that our website project, which is this, is nothing near the demo of our theme. It's nothing near the demo of our theme, even though we have installed and activated the theme. So why is it like that? So to do that, why is like that is because we've not installed the pre-built website of our theme, because every theme is actually a website that is built and is built from scratch. So all you just need to do is edit the content to make it yours. All right, so that is the essence of the theme, to make work easier for you so that you wouldn't have to code or build from scratch. Why our website is not looking like our demo, okay, why our website is not looking like our demo is because we've not actually installed this demo content. All right, this demo content of our theme, we've not put it on our website, although the theme is activated. So how do you activate the demo content? So the next thing I'm going to be doing is to activate the demo content of our theme so that it looks exactly like our theme. But before we do that, we first of all have to install the necessary plugins. So how do you do that? Come to under appearance, you have this install plugins. Just click on that install plugins, and then you see all the necessary plugins that we need to install on our website before we can install our demo content of our theme. So you may want to install them one by one, but in our case I want to just install all of them. So just check this box up, automatically everything will be selected. Then come to this action, other actions, click on that arrow down, then click on install, and then click on apply. Then it will go about installing all the necessary plugins. So just wait a minute and let it finish installing all the plugins. So as you can see, all the plugins have been installed. All right, so the next thing you need to do now is to activate all the plugins. So go back to return to required plugins. So you can see they are all installed, but they are not yet activated. So to activate them again, you just click on this box up, then select an action, which is to activate. We've already installed, so the next is to what? Activate. Click on activate, and then click on apply. And then to go about activating all the plugins. All right, so all the plugins have been successfully activated. So because of that, because the plugins are activated, you no longer find them here in the required plugins area, okay? Because under the install required plugins, we are having them here. So since they've all been installed and activated, so they have no need of being here. So what you just need to do, you just click on return to the dashboard, and then if you want to view all the plugins, you have to view all the plugins. Let that finish loading. If you want to view all the plugins, just come to under this plugins, just come here and click on installed plugins. So you're going to be seeing all the plugins installed. So these are the plugins that we installed on our website. Okay, now having installed our plugins, having installed and activated the required plugins, so the next thing to do is import the demo content. So how do we do that? All right, so to install the demo content, just come to this place where you have echo. This is the theme on our website. This is the theme active right now. Okay, under it, once you put your cursor there, you see different options. You have dashboard, you have import demos, you have theme options. Then click on this import demos, and then you cannot see all the pre-built demos that came with our theme installation. You can see they are all beautiful and lovely, and they are over 30 or so. I didn't count, so when I give you the theme, you count it. All right, so you can see, and these are the pre-built content. So just choose any one you like. All right, just import any one of them you like. So whichever of them you import to your website is going to be the active one on your website, and that is how your website display is going to look. And if you want, before you to know what the one you may want to install, you just come here and preview it. Just click on preview to see how it looks, to know if it's something you want to use. Again, now let's preview. Although we preview these two, let's preview them again. Then let's scroll down and preview some more. All right, let's preview this. And then let's scroll down again. This is about a conference, so let's preview that. And this is about a hosting company. If you want to run a hosting company, let's preview that. And this is about a marketing agency. If you want to run a marketing agency, preview that. So just preview as many as you can preview to know the one that you may want to use. Okay, so first off, let's look at this. So you can see this, how this one looks. If you like this one, you want to use it, you use it. They are all beautiful and lovely. So let's go to the next one. Look at this one. Okay, if you like this, you can use it, and if you use this, this is how your website is going to look. And let's go to the next one. You have this here, and they are all beautiful, lovely. Isn't this lovely? Yes, it is. Yes, it is. So these are all beautiful and lovely. Let's check this last one that we opened. You can see. So this is it. So are you satisfied with this? So to do that, if you are satisfied with that, so okay, this is the next one. We've not looked at this. Okay, this is another one. Okay, these are just a few of the preview demos that we have on our team. You can see there are quite a lot of them. So just choose anyone you like. Once you are satisfied with the one you want to use, once you are satisfied with the one selected, then you just click on import. So in my case, I think I would like to use this. I would like to use this particular one. Okay, so because I would like to use that, then I just come back to where it is here on my dashboard. Now you can see this is it, corporate. I just click on import, and then it's asking you, are you sure you want to import? Yes. Click on yes, import. And it will import all the content of this of the demo. Okay, to import all the content into your website. So just wait a minute, or just wait for a few minutes and let it finish importing. All right, so as you can see, we have finished importing our demo. So say that's all. It said that's it, all done. The demo import has finished. Please check your page and make sure everything has imported correctly. All right, so we've successfully imported our demo. Now we can now go back to the front page of our website. If you refresh it, you now realize that it will now be looking like our team demo. So let's refresh now. Wow, lovely. So you can see this is now our website. Okay, you can see it's now looking exactly like what you have in the team demo. So this is the team demo. Okay, this is the team, this is the team demo. All right, this is the demo for the team. And if you look at our own website now, it's looking exactly like the demo from our team. So you can see in few minutes we successfully set up our website, and you can see this is our website. So the next thing we are going to be doing now is change this content to make it our own content, and doing that is quite easy. Very easy. Isn't this lovely? This is lovely. All right, so now let's go back to our dashboard and edit our content. So the next thing is to edit our content. And to edit our content is quite simple. All right, so all these things you are seeing are just pages. So this first one you are seeing is the whole page content. All right, so to edit this, you just go to the home page, and then the next one is you have different pages here. So you're going to be remove all this. You don't need all this, you remove them. The next one you have all this portfolio, you remove them. So remove the ones we don't need. So to edit this content, before we start editing the content, let's decide the ones that we need. So this is our home page. Of course, we need this home page. All right, under these pages, there are a lot of pages that we do not need. We do not need all of this. The only one we may need is this about us page. So let's click on about us to see if it's something that we need. So you can see this is the about us page. So you are definitely going to be needing this. So in every company needs an about us page. So this is our own about us page. You are going to be needing that. And the next thing we are going to be needing is so we're going to be removing the whole of this, so we keep that about us page. The next thing we're going to be needing is Under portfolio, we may just need one of the portfolios. So under this portfolio, we may need them, we may not need them, so we'll just keep one of it. I'm not sure if they want to keep yet. Okay, let's check this column, these two columns to see. All right, so this is the portfolio page. If we need this, we'll keep only this, then we'll delete the rest. Then for the blog section of our website, so this is the blog section. So which one are we going to be needing? We may be needing this particular one, which is the standard post. So we'll keep that page for our blog page of our website. Okay, we'll keep that as the blog page of our website. And last but not the least, the shop area. So for instance, you want to be selling some stuff on your website, you want to be selling anything. Okay, so this is going to be the shop. All right, so and actually there's nothing to delete there. Okay, so that's that about our website. Now let's go back to the home to see how it looks. So this again is the home. Now to start building, come back to our dashboard to start editing. So to start editing, you just come to these pages, come to pages, click on all pages. And clicking on all pages, you can see these are all the pages of our website. You can see them. You can see all the pages of our website. These are all the pages. So anyone that we do not need, we are going to be trashing them later. But to start, first of all, start with the editing of the home page. Okay, this is the home page. So, and under our pages, you can see this is the home page. So to edit it, you're going to be using a kind of builder called WP Bakery Page Builder. So that makes it very easy for you to build any page in WordPress. So to edit this page, you just come here and click on this, on this, just click on this edit with WP Bakery Page Builder. Click on that. And clicking on edit with WP Bakery Page Builder, we are brought to this here. This is the editing environment, and it's actually very simple because it's actually a live editor. As you edit, you see it, you see the effects, you see the changes, and so on and so forth. So the first place we have is this header, which is this this banner area. Okay, the first place you have is this banner area. This is actually a revolution slider. It's actually a slider. And this slider, we're going to be doing it inside the revolution slider. For instance, let's come back to the dashboard. You can see this is the revolution slider. So this is where we're going to be using to change the slider. But for now, let's just click on that to see. So you can see the name of the slider is corporate slider. So you're going to be editing that later from the revolution slider or slider revolution. All right, so let's scroll down. The next thing you have there is this: we deliver enduring results, blah blah blah, strategy, marketing, different stuff. So to edit anyone, for instance, you want to edit this particular one, we deliver enduring result. You just put your cursor on it. Okay, once you try to hover your cursor on it, you see something like a pencil. All right, you see it. This pencil means editor. So anyway, you see a pencil like this, it means to edit. Then you just click on that pencil. You now see where you can change this. You can see we deliver enduring results, blah blah blah. So if you want to change it, you can change it to wherever you want. Maybe for instance, in my own case, I can just say we deliver excellent results. Okay, we deliver excellent results. Wherever you want it to be, just make it to be that. We deliver excellent results. And once you have made any changes, you just come here and click on save changes and then click on close. And take note that that save changes is not the ultimate saving that you have to save, because if you should refresh this page right now, the changes will be lost. So once you have clicked on that save changes we just did, that first save changes, you come here again and click on update. All right, but we may not have to do that now. We may just want to finish editing all the stuff before we want to just click on update. All right, so the next thing you have there is this strategy. Again, once you put your cursor on this strategy, you see pencil, just click on pencil and you see where you can change it to wherever you want to change it to. Okay, so you can see strategy. Just if you want to change the strategy to something else, you know your website project, you know the idea you have behind it, you just leave it. But this is a corporate website, and if also you are building a corporate website, so in most cases most of the words here are going to be the same for you. So the very reason you need to choose the right demo or the right thing for your project, so that editing needs to be very easy for you. All right, so in this case you have this. You want to change this one, change it here, you can see. All right, so once you have done that, you just scroll down to see where we can change this one, this Laura Ipsy content. So this is where you can change the Laura Ipsy content. So this is just a kind of dummy content that is used in almost every demo. So it doesn't really make sense. It's kind of a meaningless statement, means nothing. So in your case, you just make it meaningful for your own website. Okay, so whatever you want to tell the people that are visiting your website, just put it there. Everything here is pretty based on your own creativity. So you are very creative in all those, in writing and all those stuff, so you know what to just put there. And once you have done that, you just click on save changes, then close. Just do the same thing to all these stuff here, everything here. All right, just do the same thing to everything. And then the image area, this is just an image, so any image you want to change this with, make sure it's equidimensional. All right, make sure it's good. Any image, for instance, you are replacing any image on your website, let it be equidimensional with the default image. Being equidimensional means the image you're going to be replacing it with should be of the same dimension with the default image. All right, so that your website will have a perfect look, so that it won't be distorted. Should you use a lower size image or a bigger size image, you will be having a distorted look here, and your website will not be looking beautiful. So any image you're going to be replacing any image with, make sure is equidimensional with the default image. So how do you know the dimension of any image you're going to be replacing it with? For instance, in this one, in this case, this particular one, yeah, this particular image now, okay, so for instance, this particular image now, for you to see the dimension of this image, come back to your dashboard, locate where you have media, come here, this is media. So this media is where all the images of your website are stored. So just click on this, click on the library. So click on the media library, and then it takes you to the library. So this is the media library. You can see this is where you have all the images of your website. This is where you have all the images of your website. So the image you are going to be changing is this. So let's try to locate this image. Maybe you are seeing better than I'm seeing. If you see it, just let me know. All right. All right, I can't find this image here. To be sure of the image, let's come back to it. Click on single image, click on the image to be sure we have it on our website. Okay, as you can see, this image is not within our media library. This image is actually an external image. It's from somewhere. So we are the builders of this theme. This image is from the team's builders website. People who built this theme, the people who are selling this theme. This image is on their website, so you can see the URL to the image is an external URL. So to still see the dimension of the image, that doesn't stop us from seeing the dimension. To see the dimension of the image, let's just copy the URL, then put it in our address bar, open it, and so this is the image. Then download it to your system, save image as, just save it to your system. So just save the image to your system, and then locate that image where it is in your system, show in folder. And this is the image. Okay, if you put your cursor on it like this, you can see it's showing the dimension. The dimension is 550 by 550. All right, so as you can see, so whatever image you're going to be replacing that image with has to be of that dimension, 550 by 550. All right, it has to be of that dimension. So we are not going to be using this external link. So because we are not going to be using externally, we are going to be uploading an image to our website. So we are going to be removing that link. Okay, remove that link. And then to replace it with an image, instead of using this image source, instead of leaving it as external, change it to media. All right, change this thing, this externally, change it to media library, and then to show you where you can upload the image. So then come here, click on this plus and to replace to upload the image. So just come here, click on the image, and then select files. It takes to your computer wherever you have it to your system. So all right, so this is the image of my system. I just come here and then open it and upload it to my website. So as you can see, the image is equidimensional, 550 by 550. All right, so and then insert it, just set the image, and then you can see you now have the image here, and the image size is saying that under this image size is saying thumbnail. No, we are not going to be using thumbnail. Okay, we are going to be using full size. So there are different ways you can put it. You can say thumbnail, put thumbnail, medium, large, or full. So in that case, you're going to be making it full. Or first, let's see how the thumbnail will look. Let's see if the thumbnail is okay. So just click on Save Changes. Okay, so we are not going to be using thumbnail. Thumbnail will be too small. So let's make it the full size. Okay, which is just type full. I hope you understand what this image size. This is where you set the size of the image. Either you make it thumbnail. If you make it thumbnail to be small, make it medium to be medium size, large to be very large, make it full to be the exact size of the image. So the exact size of our image is 550 by 550, which I suppose is going to be equidimensional with the default image. So for that, you're going to be changing this thumbnail to full. All right, and then click on Save Changes. And then you have it. So you can see that is the actual image dimension. I hope that is quite simple enough for you to understand. It's not confusing, I suppose. So the next thing to edit there is this. The same way, just click on pencil and edit. Here, click on edit. Anything you want to edit, just click on it. So under purchase now, if I want to change it to something else, you can just change it to something else. It's as simple as that. So the same thing here, same thing applies to all this. The same thing applies to this image. Just change it that way. Or should I do one more? All right. Okay, let's just try and do the I think everything is pretty straightforward. Anything you want to change, just click on the pencil. All right, click on the pencil, click on the pencil. It's as simple as that. As simple as that. And this, click on the pencil. Okay, I think that's quite simple enough. Yeah. And this thing you see here, this thing is an expanded view. All right, if you click on this, we do what we do, it will expand and to show you the content. Let me show you what I mean. If you look at, come to this is the front page of the website. Let's scroll down now. You can say, so this is it. So what we do, if you click on it, it will expand to show you the content. All right, the same thing, you have all this here. So to edit that is just the same process. It will not be difficult. Just click on it, click on the pencil again, just as usual. Just look at it, what you do, put it there, and then the content, the expanded content. Okay, this is this, just as you have it here. If you want to close it, click on minus, go back, expand, close. I hope that is understood. All right, so just change it to your content. Once you are done, click on Save Changes, close. And then let's do another image again. Maybe if you are confused with that image, you just click on this image thing. Okay, this image is a background image. All right, this image is a background image. In case this first one was just an image that you can just upload, but in this case, this one is a background image. So to set this background image, all right, so now let's see how this image, let's see how we can change this image. This image is definitely different from this one. Now this one was just a content image. All right, so we could change it using this single image editor. Okay, but in this case, this image you're having here is actually a background image. it's not just a direct image like we had it on the other side. So to change this background image, you can come to, let's first of all check this first place. This, you can see there are different rows. This background image is usually located in the row, whether in the external row, which is this area, or in the internal row, which is this. Okay, so let's first of all check this external row. To check it from this external row, click on this that small row there, then click on the pencil to see if the thing is on the background of that external row. So this is the background. Let's go there to see, okay, the image is not here, is everything not here? Then let's close. Then let's look at the inner row. Okay, it's not here, so let's adjust that one again. Then look at the inner row. Of course, in your case, this inner row area will be like this. So to check this this inner row, click on this that thing there, then click on the pencil, and then click on the design options. Let's see if we have it there. You can see this is the image. This is where you have it here. All right, so this is where the image is. So this is where you can change this image to suit your need. So in case you don't want this image here, you want to change it to your own image, you just remove it by just clicking on this cancel, this X thing you have here. You can see my cursor there, so that is the X. I just click on it to remove it. So that is where you remove it and replace it. Once you have removed that, then click on this plus and to replace it with your old desired image. So that is that about that background image. And scroll down, I think this is another background image again. So just do this the same way you did this one here, the same way you did this particular one. And if you scroll down again, you have this text. So just change all those stuffs the same way I showed you. Okay, all this here and all those, just edit all those pages just by clicking on the pencil. Make the respective changes by clicking on the respective pencil. All right, so that is how you edit the page or pages. So once you have you are satisfied with the content, with what you have put in here, just click on update. So that is all about that. And so the next thing you want to do is so that is all about the home page. So just do that with the rest of the pages. Okay, the rest of the pages, the about me, but we are going to be deleting most of these pages. We are only going to be needing about 5 pages or so on our website, so we wouldn't need all of this. We are going to be deleting most of this. I'll show you how to do all that in just a moment. Okay, let's just go there now. So to delete all these pages, that we do not need, before we delete any page, okay, before we delete any page, so first we're going to be removing the pages from our menus. Okay, so to remove all these pages from our menus, okay, to remove all those pages from our menus that we do not need, just come to your dashboard. All right, come to your dashboard. Under appearance, you have these menus. All right, so just click on menus. And then you can see the menu items here. And first off, you have to change the menus to edit. Let's go to the main menus to edit. So this is the main menu on our website. So let's change it to main menu, then select it first so that we can edit it. So you can see all the menu items here. You can see, look at them all. We do not need them. We're going to be removing them right now. So to remove them now, let's go to this about us page. We'll need this about us. We'll leave that one there. But for this, we remove this here. Remove this about us. So let's just remove that. Then we're going to be needing this one, so we'll remove the rest. And please, to remove a menu, you just come here, click on this, like this arrow down like this, click on that, then come here and remove. Okay, click on it like this, remove, click on it like this, remove. So just remove everything like that. All right, so successfully removed all the unwanted menu items on our website. So having removed them, what you need to do is just click on save menu. So after saving, when you refresh, now let's refresh the front page of our website, you see that all these pages will be gone. So you can see this place is not this way, and all those unwanted pages are now gone, except this one. We can still remove this one if you so require, but here we want about us and not pages, right? We want about us on this place. Here we want portfolio. Okay, this just portfolio is okay. And here we can just make this a shop, just make it a shop. All those other items, other stuff here, we may not want it, or we can just change it to contact us. So to do that, let's come back to the menus, and here under about us, here you can see that this about us is a drop down for pages. You can see it's a drop down for these pages. Meanwhile, we do not want these pages here. We want this about us. This about us, we want it here. So to do that, come here. This pages here, we remove it. Just click on remove it. Then about us will automatically just gone to that position. All right. So because we removed the parent menu, which is the pages, so the about us page has fit in to the right position. So maybe in some situations the about us did fit in, maybe it was still like this. What you just need to do, just come here and drag it to the position. It's as simple as that. Then for the portfolio, under the portfolio, we do not need this thing to be a custom link, so we are going to be remove this one. This portfolio, we just remove it. Then these 4 columns, we are going to be changing it to portfolio, as rename it to portfolio. Okay, and then come to blog. Under blog post, so those ones all the blog posts we'll be making on our website will be on that place. Then for this shop, I think we should just leave this shop to be a kind of, let's just leave it as shop. So let's remove all those attachments, all those cards and all those things. We do not need them. We are not planning to make it an e-commerce website, so we'll remove all those things. And even the shop, we should remove the shop. Okay, let's make it a contact us page. Let's remove it. We do not need an e-commerce. We are not doing e-commerce shop, so remove all those stuff. Terms and conditions, remove it. Single page, remove it. So let's change it to contact us. So let's just add a menu item and name it to be contact us. All right. So to do that, you just come here and click on add menu. And meanwhile, because that contact us page is not created here, let's see if contact us page is here. Okay, contact us page is there. So look at it, there's a contact us page. So let's use this particular contact simple. Just select that, then click on add to menu. So automatically to be added to menu. Okay, let's rename it to contact us and not contact simple. Contact us. And once you have done all that, just click on save menu. I hope you understand what you just did. It's very simple. It's just the menu system on the WordPress website. So we'll set the menu system to just about 5 items: the home, the about us, portfolio, blog, and the contact us. Then refresh the website. Refresh it. All those other unwanted ones will be gone. Okay, so you can see it's perfect now. Home, about us, portfolio, blog, and contact us. So those are what we need on our website. All right, so the next thing we want to do is edit the pages. Okay, so it's just the same way we edited the home page. So for instance, to edit the about us page, all right, just click on it. I mean, meanwhile, this front page we edited, if you want to use that editor we used in editing it, instead of you having to come back to this place where you have pages and then clicking on edit with WP bakery page builder, you can just do it right from the front page. So for this home page, if you want to edit it with that WP bakery page builder, you can just click on it here. Just click on it. You can edit it directly from here. So it's the same thing. Same way we're going to be doing this about us page. Sorry, this is about. Let's click on the about us page. So this is the About Us page. So to edit this About Us page, instead of having to go back to the pages here, you can just come here, you can just click on it and then click on edit with WP Bakery page builder. So you can see these are the content of the About Us page. So to edit, just click on WP. Let's just do that now. WP Bakery page builder. You can see that you bring out the editor that we had when we were building the home. It's as simple as that. So the same way you edit all the pages. Alright, so these are About Us page. You can see. So you just edit every item the same way we edited the home page. So if you put a cursor on anything, you can see here you can edit them. Pencil for editing, just the same way we did it with the home page. It's as simple as that. Okay, so the same way you do the portfolio page, the contact us page. Okay, and then for the blog, you may not have to edit the blog, because this blog you can make this blog post here. So whatever post you make on this blog post here, this is where you make your blog post. So whatever post you make on the blog post will be reflected on this blog area. So how do you make your blog post? Come to this place where you have a post, just click on all posts. So these are different posts of the website, so you can just edit them. Just click on edit to edit the content. But if in case you do not want to edit this content, just make new blog post. So make a new blog post, just click on add new. So just give the blog a name, just give the post a name. Maybe if you want to post about the news updates of your recent stuff, of your recent project of your company, you just give it a title, then do the write up here, put the title here, do the write up here. So that's just how you do it. As once you have done all that, then you want to set a featured image. To set a featured image, come to this right hand side, make sure this document tab is selected, then scroll down and click on this featured image, click on this arrow down there, then set featured image, click on it, and it will take you to your media library. Then select image, go to your computer to select image, and then you upload it to that post. All right, just upload it. Once you have uploaded it, you just click on publish. All right, so that is how you make your blog post. So whatever post you make, your blog will be reflected here. So once you click on this blog, all the posts you make, the recent posts you make, will be shown on the blog page of your website. So whoever wants to know the recent updates of your company, the recent stuff about any news you have about your company, they will be see them on this blog page. So these are different blog posts that we'll have already on the website. So those are just there. All right, it's as simple as that. So the next thing is the contact us. So I did the contact us is just the same thing. Just click on it, go to the page, make your changes. So just like that. So to edit this page, click on WP Bakery page builder, so that you can change those stuffs to your own address, your phone numbers, and the rest. So that just it is the contact us page. It's as simple as that. So you can just click on the respective pencils to edit, to make the changes. That's just that. So once you have done making your changes, you just click on update. So the next thing I want to show you is setting the slider. Remember when we were editing the whole page, I said we're going to be doing that from the slider environment, which is the revolution slider, or the slider revolution. This is it. So to do that now, let's just go there, click on slider revolution. On slider revolution, you are brought to this page here. So this is the slider in use on this website. You can say corporate. Remember the pre-built websites that we chose, our demo content that we chose was the corporate demo, and this is the slider, so a corporate slider. So to edit the slider, just click on this pencil. Pencil is always for editing, just click on it. It will now load the slider, then from there you can edit it. So you can see this is the slider, and editing the slider is very simple. Just come here, the first item we have there, let's go to the home now so that you can be seeing the slider. Let's go home. First off, we may want to change the write-up. You may want to change the write-ups on the slider. So first off, we will want to change the write-ups on the slider. So these are the write-ups. So to change these write-ups, come to the slider, come to this place. You can see this purchase now. This purchase now you have here. This is it. Okay, to change it, just click on that there. Just click on it, and then you see where to change it here. Look at it, purchase now. So to change it to wherever you want to change it to, and then link it to wherever you are selling your stuff. So whatever is the link to that your stuff that you want them to purchase, you just put the link there in place of this hash. You can see this where my cursor is, this hash, replace it to the link. So the next thing there is these write-ups. So how do we change these write-ups? So just come here, click on those subtitle. I can see, you see them here. So we work with you to transform your organization, driving both ideas and pragmatic solutions. So as you have them here, the next slide, okay, look at it. This slide here, we work with you to transform your. So this bold one, I will show you in a moment how you can change this bold one. But this one, this first one, that's where you change it. We work with you to transform your organization, blah blah blah. So that's why those bold stuffs. Let me show you where you can change those bold stuffs. Those bold stuffs are this one, this title. So this ones, this first one, this one, these are the subtitles. As you have them here, these subtitles here. Then the titles are this one. Click on the title. So you have them here, preparing for a new global economy, just as you have it here, preparing for a new global economy. So I've already showed you how to change the words. Then how do you change the image? This image, how do you change it? So to change the image is very simple. So this image is actually for the first slide. So how do we change it? So to change this image, just come to this place under where you have this slide BG animation. Come here and click on this thing here. Just click on it. And then to show you the image again, this image is an external source. So and this is the link. So just copy that link and put it in your browser to see the dimension of the image that you can, so that you can replace it with your own image with that dimension. So let's just copy that link. This is the link. Let's go to the link. So you can see this is the link. So to know this is the image. For you to see the exact dimension of this image, for you to see the dimension, just save it to your system. Save image as. Save the image as that corporate one. Then locate that image, show in folder. You can see this is the image, and this is dimension. The dimension is what? The dimension is 1920 by 900. Okay, so whatever image you're going to be replacing that with should be of that dimension. Then how do you now replace your image? So you can see this is an external source, and the image you want to replace with it will definitely be from your system. You are going to be having to upload it. So in that case, you are going to be changing it from this external source to image. Okay, you're just going to be changing it to image. Change it to image. So once you have that, you now have the option of uploading it from your media library. Just click on media library, and they take you to this place. Click on file, and it will take you to your system. Then upload the image, and so on and so forth, just like that. Okay, I hope you get the idea. Once you have uploaded the image, you just insert and then save. So it's as simple as that. So that is how you change that image. So the same way we edited this, once you have made all the changes, you are satisfied with everything I've done here, just click on save. Click on save. So that is how to edit the first slide. That is the slide one. Then to edit the second slide, come to this place where you have slides. You can see is the first slide that is highlighted here. So to edit the second slide, come to this place, click on second slide or slide 2, just click on it, automatically the second slide will be selected. So just follow the same process and edit this one the same way we did the first slide. All right, so once you are done, you click on save changes or click on save. So that is how you edit your slide. That is that about the slide. All right, that is how you edit the slider of your website. So the next thing I'm going to be show you is how to do the branding of your website, to brand it to perfectly be your own. As you can see, the website, you can see this, for instance, is having a logo that is not yours, so you want to change this logo, and then you want to change these stuffs here, the phone number, the email address, and the rest of those stuffs here, the social media icons and the rest. So how do you do all this? That is what we're going to be looking at now. To do all that, come back to your dashboard, then come to this place, this thing, echo, and then click on theme options. So you can see it's pretty straightforward there. So the first thing we want to do is change this change these numbers there. So you can see where you can change them from the theme options. Just change them here, change them to your own stuff. So the email address, change it to your own email address. Your work days, change it to your own. It's as simple as that. So once you have done that, come to your social media, your Twitter, the link to your Twitter, just put it there, the full link, not just the username. If, for instance, if your username is gloriomoye1, the link you're going to be putting here is going to be twitter.com/gloriomoye1. All right, it's the full URL. So in my case, let me just put my own Twitter link there now. Let's see, twitter.com/gloriomoye1. So gloriomoye1 is my own Twitter ID. So in your case, you replace this thing with your own Twitter ID. Then for Instagram, the same thing. Put the full Instagram URL, http instagram.com/gloriomoye1. So again, replace this ID with your own Instagram ID. So once you have done all that, you just click on save changes. And the next branding we want to look at there is the logo. Okay, so just come here, come to this logo. Meanwhile, before going to that logo, let's look at this global options. Let's see if there's anything that we need to change there. Okay, nothing to change there, just leave all those things at their default. Then come here, come to next thing you want to do is the logo. Click on logo, and you can see that this our logo type is a text type, so that even makes it easier for you, that you do not have to even design a logo. All right, that makes it easier for you. So maybe your company name is whatever you want to call your company. Maybe your company is maybe your company name is Glory Conglomerate. All right, Glory Conglomerate. So you just put it there, and then that's just it. It's as simple as that. And once you have done all that, you just click on save changes. So that is all about the logo. So you have changed the logo, and if you come to your website now, refresh, you now realize that these things will now change to your own stuff. If you click on this now to take to your Twitter account, and your logo is your logo there. And the next thing I want us to change now is this contact us. So this contact us, if you click on it, it will not take you. Okay, yeah, beautiful. So you can see if you click on this contact us, it will take you to your own this contact page. It's as simple as that. So that is how you create any kind of website you want to create using WordPress. So you can see how simple and easy it is. The next thing I want to show you now is this how to change this footer area. Okay, now this footer area can be multifaceted. there are different areas, there are different ways, there are different places on your WordPress dashboard that actually control this footer area. First off, you have the footer menus. These footer menus can be changed from the menus area. Okay, remember what we talked about, the menus under appearance, come to menus. Okay, and these other items, these stuff you have here, these things you're having here, like this about, additional links, categories, echo, these things can be changed from where you call the widget area. Let me show you the widget area. This is the widget area. Under appearance, come to this place, widget. So this is the widget. So that widget controls this place. And this other area on the footer, which is this copyright area. This copyright area can be controlled by either the widget area, can be controlled by either the widget, okay, sorry, the widget this copyright area can be controlled by either the widget or the theme options. Okay, so it depends on how the developers of the teams build the theme. So sometimes you may find this copyright area from your theme options, or you may find it from the widget area. So now let's first of all go to our menus to see where we can change this footer menus, and then this widget area, this footer area. Let's see where we can change it from the widget area, and then this copyright area. So let's go first off to the menus. Under appearance, come to menus. So the footer menus, you can see them here under this place where you have select a menu to edit. You can see the main menu is what we have here. Remember, we actually changed this to this main menu in our previous we actually changed this to the main menu a while ago. So to change it to the footer menu, so that you can change it, you can see it here. You can see footer menu, so just change it and then select. Then you can now see where you can edit all those stuffs here, all those footer menu items. So you can see them here. Look at them here. So that is where you can change all those stuffs. If you want to remove them, you can just remove them. All right. If you want to change them to anything, you can change it to anything. The next thing we have there are these ones here. This stuff, this about, additional links, category, echo, blah blah blah. So this echo, definitely you're going to be changing it to your company name. So to do all that, we'll do that from the widget area. So now let's go to the widget. Under appearance, come to widget, click on widget. And then you can see you're having all those stuffs here under the widget area. In this widget, so let's try to locate the footer inside this widget. So this widget is made up of different things. It's made up of sidebar, main bar, different aspects. So we are going to be looking for the footer area in this widget. So the first thing we have there is this first widget area. Now let's try to locate that. You can see that here, footer first widget area. So look, let's open it. You can see you have this about here. Click on this arrow down, you see the about there, so you can change it to whatever you want to change it to. So that is that about the first widget area. The second widget area is this. So you can see additional links. So if you want to change it there, you change it just as you have it here. You can see this one here. Okay, and then the next you have there is the footer third widget area. All right, this category, just as we have this here, this one here. Okay, and then the last but not the least is the fourth footer widget area, or footer fourth widget area. This is it here, and it's a test, which is this. So they cannot change this one to your company name. So change this equal to your company name, which is maybe Glory Conglomerate. and then change this right up to your own company, or to anything about your company. Any brief write up you just want to write about a company, just put it there. All right, you can say our company, we are mission focused, blah blah blah. Anything you want to, whatever your philosophy, anything you want to put it, just put it there. Once you have done that, you just click on save. So that is how you change this area. So I hope that is quite understandable. And then finally, the full copyright area. So to change the copyright area, come to okay, I remember I told you that copyright area can be changed from the widget area or from the theme options. I think in this case it's going to be from the theme options. So now let's come to the theme options, and then look for let's try to locate that copyright. Now let's go to the footer. So this is the footer. Let's click on the footer there, and then we should be having the copyright test there. So you can see this is the test there, the copyright, this test you're having here. So you can change it to your own there. So instead of echo design by key design, you can just change it to maybe glory conglomerate by key design, or can say design by glory. One more, yeah. All right, so that's that. And once you have made the changes to your satisfaction, just click on save changes. So I think that's pretty all that we need to do on our website. Yeah, I think that is all about our website project. So if you have any question, if there's anything left out that I may forget, if there's anything I might have forgot to mention that I left out, feel free to ask in the comments. Okay, feel free to ask in the comments, and you will get response within 24 hours. So that is how you create any type of website using WordPress. So do not forget to subscribe to this channel, and if you like this video, do not forget to like and share and comment. And every day we post new digital marketing videos like this, digital marketing videos, tutorials that can help you to promote your business globally and increase your sales by over 1000% worldwide. So we do it right on this channel. And if you want to follow up with our video updates so that you can also use it to improve your business in any area, and ongoing, we also do different ongoing web design tutorials. Maybe you can just dedicate a video on how to build an e-commerce website, or how to create a blog. Everything will just be focused on e-commerce website or whatever thing. We do different things as far as your business is concerned. And if there's any video you feel we should record that you need, maybe you have a particular area bugging you on how to actually resolve or help yourself or help your business that you do not really understand, and you want us to do a video on that, you can just let us know in the comments, and we'll gladly do that video. So feel free to subscribe and click on the notification icon, so that once a new video is released tomorrow, because almost every day we release videos, so once a new video is released tomorrow, you'll be notified. So thank you very much, and do have a nice time. All right, I hope you did enjoy the video. I hope you find it useful. I hope with this you can now create your own website and manage it yourself without having to hire the services of a professional developer and pay thousands of dollars. All right, so do not forget to like, share, and comment if you find this useful, and do not forget to subscribe and click on the notification icon, because tomorrow we're going to be releasing another interesting and powerful video like this that can help you make your business global and increase your sales by over 1000% digitally from the comfort of your home. So see you tomorrow.